So this video is about collective nouns for animals. So you can use collective nouns for people or things, and we will learn first what are collective nouns, then for 15 animals different collective nouns that aren't common, and the common collective nouns will be given at the end of the video. So let's get started. So first of all, what are collective nouns? They are names for a collection or a number of people or things or animals. A group is an example of a collective noun, like a group of people, a group of rabbits. So group is a common collective noun. The first animal is cat. The collective nouns are Clowder, Clutter, glaring. Glaring of cat, Clowder of cat, Clutter of cat, like that. The second animal is a dog, a kennel of dogs. Their home, like kennel of dog. Cowardice of dog, mute of dogs. The meaning is not the point here. Third animal is cow. For that, herd of cow. Herd is a common word, and the other one is drift. Drift of cows. Next is bees. The fourth one is for bees. So for bees, it's bike. Bike of bees. Fifth one, owls. For owls, it's parliament. Parliament of owls. Sixth one is for caterpillars. Caterpillars have a bunch of caterpillars are called an army. Seventh one, there's another three words for elephant. Elephants, they are called a herd, common word, or parade of elephants, or memory of elephant. Eighth one is tigers. For tigers, it's ambush or street. For zebra, it's dazzle or herd. The 10th one is for dolphins. For dolphin, it's horde of dolphin. 11th one, the next one is for foxes. It's skull of foxes. Next one is for rats. For rats, it's horde or pack, and then also mischief or colony of rats. Next one is for sloth. For sloths, it's snuggle of sloths. Next, again, it's army for frogs. And the last one is for apes. It's shrewdness of apes. Yeah, the 15th one is that. So now, what are some common nouns? Common collective nouns used to describe a group, collection of things, or lot of things, or people, or animals. Herd, like for elephants and deer, and flock for birds, like pigeons and birds, other birds, and pack for like wolves and foxes. And group is a common word for anything. Swarm is for insects, like a swarm of bugs. Those are some of the common collective nouns. So that's all for this video. If you learned something new and strange, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, share this with your friends, and that's all. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.